Step 1. Make sure you have a clean face to remove any dirt or oil. Step 2. Apply concealer. Next is to apply concealer to prime the eyes to make the eyeshadow be pigmented and stay. Step 3. Apply the eyeshadow to your eyelid first as the base. Step 4. Add a transition color to your crease to add definition and depth. Step 5. Apply a highlight color to the inner corner and brow bone to brighten the eye look. Step 6. Get your lashes and apply glue, then wait a couple seconds for the glue to dry and get sticky. Step 7. Put the lashes on and now your look is complete.